Welcome to Brotuned, everybody. My name's Ryan, and today we have a special new rifle, new to the channel, CZ457 LRP, and it's a beautiful rifle from the looks of it. Comes with a match chamber. That's why I picked this rifle. I want to step up the 22 game a little bit. I've been shooting that XT22 now forever, and it's super accurate and super fun. But I want to see what all the fuss is about these match chambers and match barrels and stuff. So we're going to start off with this. So far, we have a carbon fiber bipod from Bipod Factory on the internet. They're like $25, and they're honestly amazing little bipods for the money. And topped it with my Vortex Razor HD Gen 1. It's a 5 to 20 mil, and so far super pleased with this. I haven't shot it yet. That's the next step, but I kind of want to check the trigger weight stock out of the box before we do any mods to this rifle, because we are going to upgrade it and modify it as we go. See what the best mods are for the money and bang for your buck, basically get the best accuracy for the money. So rifle is clear. Magazine's out, there's nothing in the chamber, safety's on. Let's get the wheel or trigger pull gauge out, and we will get some trigger weights. Okay, so let's pull and see where it goes. 3 pounds, right at 3 pounds. The first pull, reset it. We'll do 5 just to see, get an average. That one's 3 1/8, let's say. Exactly the same again. Let's do it again. Got the 5 pounds there. Nothing was happening. I was kind of wondering what was going on. Right at 3 pounds exactly. Yeah, right at 3 pounds every time. So very safe to say 3 pounds is the trigger out of the box. 3 pound trigger. And we'll go from there. So that's where we're going to start. 3 pound trigger, everything stock configuration. The Bipod Factory bipod, Vortex rings. It's got a 25 MOA canted base on it from the factory, and then the HD 5 to 25. So I'll just set my cheek weld and all that stuff, get all set up, and then let's get some shots down range.